Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about a very important strategy, a strategy that can give you the financial freedom that you've always been craving about. And obviously we're going to look at what you need to do and what you need not to do. And obviously this is the reason why we are making all these amazing videos for you guys, to give you the complete breakdown of the strategy that you need to ensure to start a successful dropshipping business. And obviously there's a lot of individuals in the market right now, in the niche right now, in the industry right now, that want to get into this sector, but they don't know what to do and how to do it. And that is the reason why we are bringing these amazing videos to you guys, to give you a complete breakdown of what has to be done in the right way. We have gone into great detail and looked at successful dropshipping businesses and looked at the strategies that they implemented to become so successful and the mistakes that they did that you should avoid. And we're going to highlight them in our video. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel. And do not forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any of the videos that we're bringing to you. But obviously the first and the most important thing you have to understand is research. The more research that you do, the more you understand the market that you want to enter, the more you understand what dropshipping business is, the more successful you're going to be. And that literally is the cornerstone for success. The more information that you have, the more successful you're going to get. And obviously with eBay.com as one of the biggest platforms in the industry right now, people have an opportunity they never had before. There's so many e-commerce websites right now, either be Amazon or Shopify or eBay, that you can easily start your dropshipping business. Today we're going to focus on eBay. So if anyone out there that is watching this video that is thinking of starting their dropshipping business on eBay, this is definitely a video for them. And if you know anyone that wants to start that business, do share this video with them so they can also benefit and not make the mistakes which a lot of individuals tend to make. And obviously with eBay.com you can sell anything, you can trade anywhere, and the basic common denominator that differentiates Amazon and Shopify and eBay is the fact that on eBay you can sell the product at a fixed price, or you can auction the product and the highest bidder will buy that product. So you can put anything and sell anything on eBay.com. But the question that you need to keep in mind is, how do you make sure that you can actually scale your business? And that comes from the feedback. The feedback is crucial right now, and the seller's performance is always evaluated. So you got to make sure that you understand what the seller is, and the system actually evaluates and consists of matrix such as the transaction defect rate. Cases are closed without the seller's resolution, and late shipment rates also get affected. So the better you perform according to the criteria, the higher your seller level is going to be, and you can be rated below standard, above standard, and top rated or top rated plus, as obviously this takes a direct effect on the people that want to buy the product from you, because the first thing people tend to look at is what kind of seller are you? Are you someone that they can rely on? Because at the end of the day, they're buying a product, they're buying an item, and they're paying you for that item, but they haven't seen the item. They want to make sure that the positive feedback that you're getting is actually quite high. And a lot of other individuals that have actually tested you, bought the product from you, have rated you in a positive way, so they can actually buy with the peace of mind that you will definitely give them the right product. And that, my friends, is the crucial element over here. So your feedback is very important. A feedback score is calculated as 1+ for every positive feedback, no change for neutral feedback, and 1 negative for each negative feedback. A more detailed rating is shown on the screen for you guys, so you can have a direct example of the item described, the communication, the shipping times, and the shipping charges, and obviously the positive, the neutrals, and the negatives, and the comments that each element tends to get. When you have a proper breakdown of the feedback that is required, then you can successfully start your dropshipping business. The star rating is crucial to understand, and that is the reason we are bringing these elements to you, to give you a complete breakdown of what yellow, what blue, what purple, what red, what green means, and what a yellow shooting star means, and what a silver shooting star means, what a green shooting star means. And you got to make sure that you always keep your scores as high as possible. If your score is 2,260, your star is going to be a red star. You got to make sure that you go to a shooting star to ensure that you always have a positive feedback, that people understand exactly what you're doing and how you're doing it and what you're selling. And once you're able to do that, you'll become a successful dropshipping business. Now the question that comes is, what is dropshipping? A lot of individuals make this mistake, and I want to clarify this as per the rules of eBay. Dropshipping is also known as product sourcing. So product sourcing and dropshipping is the same thing. When you talk about dropshipping in eBay.com, is when you buy stock from a supplier. The crucial element over here is when you buy a stock from a supplier and work with them to send the items directly to your buyers without ever handling them yourself. Now, this is a very important element, guys, because you actually buy the stock from the suppliers and then you tell them who to send that item or product to without ever handling them yourself. A lot of people, what they tend to do is they go on AliExpress, they go on Alibaba, and then whenever a product is bought, they actually put the shipping address of that individual to ship it out. That is not drop shipping. That is something that is not allowed on eBay, so you should not do that. Drop shipping is where you fulfill orders directly from a wholesale supplier that is allowed on eBay. And remember, guys, that if you use drop shipping, you're still responsible for the safe delivery of the item within the time frame stated in your listing and for the buyer's overall satisfaction with your purchase. And obviously, once you've done it, you need to select an item, and this is what you need to do. You need to head over to the Sellers Hub and click on research. Like I said before at the start of this video, guys, that research is the cornerstone for success. So let's select an item. For example, let's go for a phone charger. Now, phone chargers are something that is very interesting, which a lot of individuals need to have, need to buy, need to use, and that is something that I personally feel is crucial for individuals to get. The item that has been sold is for $12.39 with an average shipping of $6.78. 549,000 have been sold. There's 20,000 suppliers, and there is a total sale of $6.8 million. As you can clearly see that everyone is interested in this particular item by the graph. And as you can clearly see the distinctive element over here, that this is an evergreen product, that people are buying it constantly. If you look at this charger over here, this has been sold for $3. 8,281 have been sold, and they've made a profit of $26,743 just off this one item. They made a profit of $37,000. They made a profit of $17,000, $14,000. This individual has made a profit of $51,000. And if you look at this individuals that have sold this for $45 with a $12 shipping fee, 2,727 have been sold that made a profit of $123,000 just off this one particular product. Now we can clearly understand and see that this is a product that people are interested in. This is a product that people want to buy, that people want to invest in, and they want to find a good product to actually get and make a massive profit from it. So what you need to do is find this product. Now obviously we can see the prices on the left hand side over here on our screen, how much they're going for: $16, $10, $20, $6, $7. So how do we find the cheapest product? You need to head over to a website which is called cjdropshipping.com. Now once we get over there, this is a place that you can easily find amazing bargain prices that you can get. So we're going to search for phone chargers over here right now. As we search for phone chargers, we'll be able to see all the phone chargers that are available, and obviously the price that these phone chargers are for. And the cheaper they are, the better they're going to be, and the more profit that we can make off this particular product. And as you can clearly see, these are amazing product. This particular phone charger is for $25, which can easily be sold for $49.99. This is a wireless phone charger for $7, which can be sold for at least $9.99. And this, my friend, is a phone charger for $6, which can easily be sold for $16.99. Now as you scroll down, you'll be able to see all these different elements that you can actually get to ensure that you can actually make a massive profit of these elements. And this is truly the easiest way to make money online with dropshipping. But what you have to do is research. The more research that you do, the more money you're going to make, and the more money you're going to make, the more financially independent you're going to get. Now if you find anything difficult, you can always ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to support you, to guide you, and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family, and obviously stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.